Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. This is your online classes. I am your GK teacher, Mrs. Bhavna. Today I am going to take your GK subject. Now, student, in your page number 5 in your GK book, it is about the blue sky. Today we will study the page number 5 in your GK book. It is about the blue sky. Now the beautiful sky look above us has many things to see. Some are seen during the day and other at night. In this page we will study some things which we see in the sky during the day and at the night. Now the first question is, I am a huge ball of fire. You see me during the day. I give light and heat. Here student, pictures are given. You have to match according to that picture. First one is, I am a huge ball of fire. You see me during the day. I give light and heat. Which is a huge ball of fire, student, which give you light and heat during the daytime? Yes, it is sun. So you have to write the number there. It is the first question. So before the picture you have to write 1. It is done in your book. Now the second one is, I am a beautiful ball in the sky. You see me at night. Most mother feed their baby showing my pretty face. Second question is, you see this at night in the sky and most mother feed their baby showing my pretty face. Who is that? Yes, it is moon. So where the picture of moon is, you have to put 2 before that. Third question is, I look small and I am far away from you. I twinkle and wink at you. I have a big family and you can't count us. Student, what twinkle at the sky and what you see at night in the sky? You have heard the poem, na? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So what twinkle in the sky? Yes, it is star. So you have to put 3 number before the picture of star. Next is, we are huge ball of cotton. We are white and grey in color. We keep moving in the sky and bring rain. What are huge balls of cotton in the sky, student? What are huge ball of cotton? Yes, it is cloud. So you have to put 4 number before the picture of cloud. Next is, I am the princess of the sky. I am dressed in 7 color. I come out when the rain stops. What is 7 in color? Who is dressed in 7 color? Yes, it is rainbow. Have you seen rainbow in the sky? Yes, it is of 7 color. So where the picture of rainbow is there in your book, you have to put 5 number before that. I am a flash lighting from heaven. People avoid seeing me directly. When there is a light flashing, when the rain is coming, a light is flashing. So you see and we avoid to see them directly. So what is that? That is lightning. So you have to put 6 number before lightning. It is the third picture. Now 7th one is, I scare you when my loud roaring sound. I come out from the cloud when it rain. It is it scare us with loud roaring sound. Who is that? I come out from the cloud when it rain. You heard the sound we say in Hindi na, badal garajna. That is loud roaring sound. So you have to put 7 number in the last picture. I am a planet. I revolve around the sun. You live on me. I am a planet. I am a planet means वो एक planet है. I revolve around the sun and it is revolving around the sun and we are living on it. What is the name of the planet on which we are living? Yes, it is Earth. So you have to put 8 number in the picture before the Earth. Next page. In the next page we will study about the name of season. All of you know how many seasons are there? Yes, how many seasons are there? Mainly there are 4 seasons. But now first one is, you can see the picture. The person is wearing muffler and a cap and sweater. In which season we are wearing muffler, sweater and cap? Yes, in winter. So you will write winter there. Next, in the second picture, the boy is playing in the rain. So which season is there? Which season is that? In which rain is coming? It is rainy season. Next is, in which season you like to play in water or in pool? The third picture, the boy is playing in the pool and the sun is shining very brightly. So which season is that? That is summer. Next is, in the fourth picture you can see the leaves are shedding down. So in which season this type happen? It is autumn. Next, in the fifth picture you can see the beautiful flower and the butterfly are sitting in the flower. So which season is that? In beautiful flower blossom, in which season? Yes, it is spring. So how many seasons are there? Winter, rainy, summer, autumn and spring. And the rainy season is called monsoon season. The other name for rainy season in India is monsoon season. In the next page, page number 7, it is nature change. It is written, there are 4 main seasons in a year. They are summer, winter, spring and rainy season. In summer season you like to eat ice cream. In winter season you wear sweater. In the spring season beautiful flower blossom, and in rainy season rain is coming. These are the main 4 seasons in our country. Apart from the 4 main seasons, there is also a short season of autumn, when trees shed their leaf and the temperature begin to fall. In autumn, it is a very autumn season come for a very short time. In this season, the trees shed their leaves. In winter, the days are short and the nights are longer. In winter, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. And in summer, it is opposite. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. Now, here some names of the things are written. We have to categorize them according to their season in which we are using. So, first word is raincoat. So, in which season we are using raincoat, student? Yes, in rainy season. So, we will write below rainy season. Next word is umbrella. In which season we are using umbrella? Yes, we are using it in the rainy season. So, we will write under the rainy season. Next is green field. In which season we see the green field? In spring. So, we will write green field under spring. Next is snowman. In which season we are making snowman? Means man made up of snow? In winter. So, we will write it below winter. Next is ice cream. In which season we are eating ice cream, or in which season we like to eat ice cream? Summer. So, we will write it below summer. Next is sweater. In which season we are wearing sweater? Yes, in winter. Cotton shirt. In which season we wear cotton shirt? In summer, because it absorbs sweat. So, we wear cotton shirt in summer. Next is cold drink. In which season we like to drink cold drink? Summer. So, we will write it below summer. Next is room heater. In which season we use room heater? It is heater. So, it gives us heat. So, we use it in winter. Next is garden. When we can see beautiful garden having many flowers in the season of spring. So we will write under spring. Next is watermelon. When do we eat watermelon? In summer. Next is flower. We will write under spring. Geyser. In which season we use geyser? Yes, in winter. Next is refrigerator. Refrigerator means fridge. We mostly use fridge in all season, but mainly it is used in summer. Butterflies. Butterflies you see in the garden when the flower blossom. So we see it in the spring. So we will write under spring. Next is paper boat. In which season we make paper boat? In rainy season. We have categorized all these things according to their season. Now name one object in the box which is used in rainy season and summer season both. Can you tell me one things which we are using in both the season? Yes, it is umbrella. Mainly we are using it in the rainy season, but when the sun is very hot, it is shining very brightly, we are also using umbrella in the summer season. So umbrella is used in both rainy season and in summer season. Student, I hope you all have understood what I have taught you today. Thank you for the class.